With SigmaQuote, you'll be able to create quotes in minutes, not hours. We'll start by importing a wide selection of 2D and 3D CAD files. From there, our integrated system allows us to quickly take data from the production system and use that data to calculate the cost and price for the quote. So you'll always have confidence your quote is accurate. The same nesting and toolpath strategies used in production are also used during the quoting process in a highly automated way. Now that the parts are ready, we can create a new job. We can select from our list of customers in our integrated CRM system. We can change things like due date of the job, and then let our powerful costing features take over and do the work to accurately calculate cost, markup, and price, which are highly customizable so you can ensure that costs are calculated the way you need for your business. We can then quickly create quotation documentation that can be printed, saved, or emailed directly to our customers. When we win the quote, you'll then enjoy a seamless transition to your SigmaNEST production software.